All right, eighth grade. We are going to be writing what we call a Tanka poem. Here are four examples of Tanka poems. Example number one: the butterfly flew, celebrating its freedom, a rainbow with wings, whispering words about peace as it traveled through the world. Example two: the red flower blooms with a fragrance sweet and soft, unfurling slowly like the hands of a newborn and the first blush of love's smile. Example number three: waterfalls bubble, dripping tears by the gallons, wetting everyone, nature's own daily shower. Watching brings peace to mankind. Example number four: gold hues paint the sky, ending a hot, steamy day. Soft palette of light, watercolor in the clouds, nature's canvas up above. So now you are going to write your own Tanka poem. Now, instructions. Complete the poem using words and phrases with the required number of syllables. A tanka is similar to a haiku and is usually about nature. So this has to be something about nature, and you got to watch your syllables. So I think you guys can read these well enough. In the first one, it is, let me highlight it. We have 5 syllables, 7 syllables, 5 syllables, 7 syllables, and 7 syllables. So this one is 5, 7, 5, 7, 7. And if you remember with syllables, it's where you would say a word and clap your hands, like Chamberlain. That had 3 syllables. Classroom is 2. So it's where those breaks are coming from. It needs to be about nature. So, people who like sports cars or, that kind of stuff, those are not nature. Nature is, like waterfalls and rainbows and spring and summer and winter and snow and flower, oh gosh, trees. Animals are even considered nature. So you're going to be writing a haiku, excuse me, a tanka about it. Remember, it goes 5, 7, 5, 7, 7 on your syllables about nature. Good luck and have fun. Don't forget, when you're done, when you're finished with the assignment, submit it to me through Canvas. Good luck and have fun.